Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Winnie the Pooh inspired outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you can color it black. Okay, then we're going to wear the skirt and color it yellow. Okay, and this one as well. And I'm going to color it yellow. Okay, and then let's move to the next area. We're going to wear this t-shirt, this one, and then I'm going to remove the pattern. Oops, sorry guys, I clicked the wrong item. Okay, I'm gonna remove the pattern and then I'm going to color it with this red color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and wear this item. Okay, I'm going to remove the fur and then I'm going to make it yellow. Alright, and I'm going to go to the accessory. Okay, right here, and then I'm going to wear this headband. Okay, I'm going to color it yellow and wear this ribbon, chocolate type 2, and don't forget to color it yellow as well. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the necklace area and then I'm going to wear, for example, this necklace. Okay, for the first selection I'm going to make it yellow, and also for the next selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room. We're going to wear item from the coats item. Go to the coats, select this leg warmer, color it yellow, and then I'm going to wear this boot as well, and then I'm going to color it red. Okay, just color it red for the first selection until the third selection, and then the last one I'm going to wear this item. Okay, and then I'm just going to color it, for example, brown. Okay, color it brown for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to color it brown and then yellow and yellow. Okay, and then this is the final result. Oops, sorry guys. Ooh, what happened? Okay, and that's all the way to create Winnie the Pooh inspired outfit in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.